Okay, today we'll be talking about Crypto.com. We've been talking about this project for a very long time, since it was around 0.03, and we encourage you to make research on it, invest if you see fit to invest, and we also talk about different other projects. But today we'll be basically talking about why you shouldn't miss this opportunity on holding a rare amount of Crypto.com. Let me say a meaningful amount. It only depends on what investment you want to make and if you think the risk is worth it. So we're going to the table, or we're going to CoinGecko to see the general market. Let's go to CoinGecko. You see CoinGecko, BTC is trading around 26, close to 27,000. Ethereum is trading around 1,800. BNB 309. SRP has been holding this for a long time, 0.44 because of their case. Cardano, Dogecoin. We talked about Dogecoin. You should try to make your research on Dogecoin. We talked about Matic. But our focus today is on Crypto.com. So let's go down to Crypto.com and let's talk a little about Crypto.com. So we're on Crypto. What you have to do is just search for Cronos, Crypto.com. Crypto.com, you see it, Cronos. So this is Cronos. So the last time we talked about Cronos, it was around 0.03. The last time we were really pushing you guys to research on needs and make an investment. It was 0.03. And if you would have invested $50, it would be around $100. That's 100% return. If you have invested 1,000, it will be around 2,000 plus. That's 2,000, 100%, also the 100% return. So let's talk about Cronos. So Cronos now is trading, 24 hours trading volume is around 10 million. The maximum supply like Cronos is around 30 billion. You can see their charts. And I think the all-time high is around 0.8, close to $1. Remember that time? Close to 9. Okay, 0.096 all-time high. You can see it's 24 November 2021, over a year. Let me see if I can find it in the graph. This is almost 0.9. You can also check any project you want to talk about. Just come here, you want to make research, you see the all-time high. All-time low is around 0.001. Wow. That's 2019, over 4 years ago. So through this bull season, we still maintain not to go beneath this all-time low. That's 2019. So fairly, Crypto.com is doing well. It has its own exchange. It has its own NFT platform. It has its own metaverse platform. There are selling lands, building on metaverse. There are so many people having partnership with them on NFT, on metaverse, on their chain. So basically, it's almost a rival with Binance, OKX, Gate.io, but one thing I like about them, they are not in an ace to start burning up their token and making investors much money. Because what do they want? They want investors that will be here for a long time, that will believe in their dream. It's not just a quick profit thing that, okay, I invested, when I make this profit, I remove my profits and I make money. Then you take that money and invest it in another business. But they want not just followers, but a tribe of people with similar dreams that want to pursue their goals. So it's something you see, you can pass on to that will live beneath after you. You can pass on to your seed or your children. A company, a well strong and meaningful company that will continue to exist, not just to it's like a bet or a gamble. You just make your profit and you leave. That's not your dream. That's why you're working slowly, steadily, making partnership with relevant companies and people, and they are doing it very well. So it's not a quick gain, but it's worth waiting if you join this trend. So let's go to that Twitter handle. So you can follow me on my Twitter handle, Ego Brown. This is a Twitter handle. This is a crypto.com handle. We have around 2.6 million followers. They talk about their trading, their new pair, the new features. I think they have an AI that will reply you. You can ask questions and you get your questions answered. This is an NFT. You can go into the NFT and partner. You can also go down to the description. Use the link on the description and you'll be awarded a bonus. But if you choose to go get the application yourself, there won't be a bonus. And it's an high risk for you to go into sketchy website or sketchy application that has been made to mimic crypto.com. So if you want to save bets, you go down to my description, you see the genuine link for you to join, download their exchange, sign off and start trading, and join the family. So they are sharing their new listings, partnership. I put them in Siri handles on Twitter. So let's go to Cronos. Cronos chain. So there is Cronos. So yes, I forgot. Before I forget, we talked about the 100 million bond, which was voted for, and a high percentage of the tribe voted for the bond to be initiated. Around 100 minimum crore bond guaranteed per year. There are other ways of bonding crypto, Cronos, but Crow bond, but this is the major one. The minimum we can get is 100 million, which we will get in above that. So you go down. This was the last day. So let's see the amount of people who voted yes or no. I think we'll have to go a little bit to you see their partnership, Cronos partnership, and this is gaming and metaverse. So let's see, track the votes. Let's track the votes. I think we need to go back, track the vote. We click here. So let's see how many amounts of people supported the votes for bond or how many people refused. So we can see around 98.6. 98.6. So the bond has been passed. 7%. Everybody has their view, of which I respect, and I respect to listen to people. Then absent 4%. So 98%. 98% people of this tribe supported the bond, which is great. That's for the bond. Let's go back. So you see their partnership here. AWS, AWS. This is one big company that will not just partner with Cronos, not because they want to get any self-benefit, but they see the future with Cronos, and that's why they are partnering with Cronos. Their other partnership, Cronos was one of the official sponsors of the FIFA World Cup. still an official sponsor of Formula Line, the racing sport, still the official sponsor of UFC, and so many others. So what am I saying? What am I saying? Why am I saying this? I do not want you to miss out. I really do not want you to miss out in this project. Make your research, search all what you can, make deep research on this, and make calculated risk. You need to take risk. You should be comfortable about taking this investment, and it should be your own decision. But I'm just here to tell you, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just here to tell you, you shouldn't miss this opportunity. And in our next video, we're going to talk about how you can spot upcoming mini projects and what you should be doing in order to take that risk. For me, it's just a risk, and sometimes you might get burned out, or sometimes you come out with something. But due to this will be the end of our video for today. Do way to subscribe, like, support us. You can join our Telegram group. If you go down to the description, you can see the genuine link for all other exchange if you want to download and sign up. Using our link, you benefit a bonus, a guaranteed bonus. That's the partner agreement we have with them. So that's all. We'll see you in the next video.